Today I'm joined by Mario and Courtney Lopez to talk about why they're now protected by CarShield.
My car has been in and out of the shop all year, and of course we get stuck with a bill.
Yeah, and nobody wants that, but life happens.
So we're here to tell you, call CarShield before a breakdown.
CarShield has helped save drivers over $1 billion in car repairs.
Yeah, I just wish we would have called sooner.
Yeah, me too.
If your car warranty's expired, you need CarShield. Plans protect up to 5,000 parts and systems. Plus, every plan includes benefits that don't expire, like roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options. Drivers who call can save thousands on repairs.
Take it from the Lopez family. Cars will break down when you least expect it.
Yeah, it happened to us. Don't let it happen to you. CarShield's affordable month-to-month plans fit just about every budget, so keep your car and your wallet happy and call CarShield now.
Call CarShield now to lock in your rate on a month-to-month plan. Plus, enjoy unlimited mileage, roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental options with every plan. Call 800-807-5155.